Okay, and welcome techs. Today we're going to be doing build number 76 of the year. It's going to be an i5 6500 Asus Prime Z270 motherboard. We're using a Gigabyte Gaming RX 570 4GB for this build, and we've ordered the Fractical Design Focus G case with the Thermaltake Smart 680 Plus certified power supply. So let's get down into the build and we'll see you when we're finished. Okay guys, so we hope you enjoyed the video. This is build number 76. We didn't have time to film 75. It left before we had a chance. So like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.